Yup, we here again with another video. Yeah, another video where you can hear me say, take your monkey ass to the links that's in the description and check out one of my audiobooks. I greatly appreciate it. I know by now you're like, I'm sick of hearing your ass talk about them audiobooks. Oh my God. But how about you go check out my audiobooks so I can shut the fuck up about it? Why you gotta cuss, flying? I like to warn you that they ain't cuss that much. Yeah, whatever. Check out my audiobooks. Yeah, check out my audiobooks. Now let's jump into this video and start so to say. So pretty much answering a subscriber question. They want to know why their ex don't fight for them like how they fight for the new person. They witness their ex, how they tell it. They witnessed their ex fight to stay in a relationship with this off-brand painkiller over here, but they wouldn't put up a fight to stay with them. They want to know why is that. The first reason is, it's kind of obvious. They don't give a fuck about you. Yeah, we don't go by what people say. We go by what people do. And their actions is showing you they don't give a fuck about you. And you need to accept it. Well, you thought I was going to sugarcoat this shit? No. That's what them other coaches. They going to tell you to be friends and kiss their ass and do A through Z and whatever they be saying over there. But you got me, the bad guy, how they tell it, how people tell it, the bad guy. I'm going to tell you just truth. They don't give a fuck about you. No. And the other reason why they gonna fight for that other off-brand ass relationship, that fantasy ass relationship, because in their mind, they got a sense of entitlement over there. Because this painkiller person kissing their ass and putting them on a pedestal and stuff like that. And because of that, because of this person pretty much, selling their soul to be with this person, they feel, your ex feel, that this off-brand ass person over here, the painkiller, is better than you. Why? Because they kissing your ex ass. Because all the little things that you refuse to do, this painkiller ass person over here, they don't mind doing it. They gonna do it because they don't want to be alone. They see your ex as the prize. You see your ex new lover as a downgrade. How that old saying go? And a lot of people say it. Another person trash is another person treasure. Your ex might be trash to you, but to that painkiller over there, that's their treasure. So therefore, they're going to put your ex on a pedestal and lick their toes and all that stuff. They're going to put whipped cream all in their butt and lick it out. That's what they're doing over there. Yup, that's what they're doing over there. Yeah, that's your ex over there doing that. They're going to go get a dildo and stick the dildo in their anus. And while, they're getting double penetrated and stuff like that, spitting in their face and all that stuff like that, that's the type of nasty ass sex that happen over there. But you be like, I ain't about to, man, you ain't spitting in my motherfucking face. Where you trying to put that? See, you did that. But this other off-brand ass person, well, this painkiller ass person, so as I say, they're like, it's whatever. You want to choke me while I hang out the bed? Hey, we can go for it. That's what they doing over there. They doing that Diamond Matrix type stuff. Whips and chains and beating people and stuff like that. Your ex over there probably doing that painful sex and stuff. They probably into that, punch my vagina type stuff. That wild stuff, crazy stuff, probably in the animal type stuff. So, you be like, man, we ain't about to bring no dog into the bedroom and have sex with the animals and all that stuff like that. That shit is wild. That shit is, beyond me. But over there, that's what they doing. You know, and that's why they have a sense of entitlement. And that's why they, in their mind, they feel like, well, this person over here is better than my previous. And that's why they're going to fight for that person. Yeah. And the other reason why, and the last reason why, because I don't like long ass videos, is because over there on the other side and stuff like that, this painkiller ass person, so to say, as I say, they giving your ex control over them. They got control over that person. Did they have control over you? Did they have power over you? Think about it. I'll wait. The things that they doing over there, could they do it with you? Right. So that's why when they go over there in the beginning stages, the grass seemed greener over there. Yeah, the grass seemed greener. Yeah. They got the grass is greener syndrome, how they say it. Because in the beginning stages, it is. They not outgrowing you. The only way, they might monkey branch to you is when all of that, A, get bored, 2, and when it fail, or 3, they can do all of that, but they still gotta have your personality within them. Because who the highlight of that rebound relationship? You. Remember, that's 20%. You the 80%. But that's another video for some other time. So, but what I want you to know is you can reach out to me and text me on WhatsApp. Text me on WhatsApp. Or send me an email. Yeah, an email. Or you can take your ass to the links that's in the description and check out one of my audiobooks. Yeah, one of my audiobooks. Because I guarantee you, the problem that your black ass having, I already wrote it down in that audiobook. Yeah, I don't live the, what you trying to do, I don't live the shit. I don't live it. I'm 98 years old. Yeah, I'm 98 years old. Yep. Yeah, I'm 98 years old. I still got all my teeth, all that stuff. I ain't got all my hair because I shaved that shit off when I was like in my early, teenage year. I think I was 18. In the 1800s, I shaved all that shit off. So what you going through ain't nothing new. And I'm here for you. Text me or send me an email or check out my audiobooks. Now, with that being said, what I want from you mostly, I want you, yes you, to take care of yourself. Yeah, take care of yourself. Stay prayed up and watch out for one another. And mind your damn business. There's a lot of people that's dead and gone because they stick their nose in the other people's business and had no business being in other people's business. Now, with that being said, take care of yourself. Peace. I'm out this motherfucker.